Welcome to GreyNoise University. I'm Michael Sargovikian, and this module is part of our GreyNoise Product Overview training series. In this module, we will be covering the IP timeline view, what it represents, and how you can utilize it. The IP details page provides us with a summary of all the observed behavior that GreyNoise has collected on a particular IP address. It provides us details on observed activity such as ports scans, web requests, JA3 fingerprints, hash, tag behavior, and more. IP timeline allows you to view the past 60 days of this behavior with day-by-day granularity instead of the consolidated summary. This feature is available as an add-on to our paid plans and to our VIP users. The timeline view of an IP address is found in an IP details page and can be viewed by selecting the Timeline tab in the Observed Activity window. IP timeline exposes event times to a user. An event is when an IP performs an action. Though an event sounds like a singular log, in GreyNoise data, there may be multiple log sources and enhancements to the data used to create an event. Each marker represents that activity of the IP address on a given day. This is helpful if you are someone who wants to know what time an IP-based event occurs and cross-correlate that with an activity you observed. Or if you want to know if the behavior of an IP has changed so you can verify if what you observed is abnormal. In this example, we can see that this IP attempts the same scans every 3 days, implying an automated process. We can see by the classification grouping the days this IP has hit our sensors, and that it's been classified as benign, since it's a known benign actor. The tags showing the activity by day this IP exhibited this behavior, followed by RDNS, organization, ASN, ports, web paths, and user agents. In another example, you'll notice the UI only returns up to 10 items for each category. In the observed activity, we can see there's over 260 ports scanned and over 10 tags associated with the IP. Full details can be found using the IP timeline APIs. In this example, we can see that just earlier this month, this IP address was classified as unknown, as it hadn't done any malicious scanning. As of February 21st, it began to scan for things like Telnet Brute Forcer, which is one of our malicious tags, and is now seemingly following a scanning pattern over the past 6 days. If you do not currently have access to this feature, you can start an enterprise trial through your account page to test this for yourself. If you have any questions on the topic covered, please reach out to support@greynoise.io.